blasting my hand in a fucking amp pile. Oh shit. I hope y'all like PB Blaster. Alrighty guys, the BMW is being sold. It is getting picked up hopefully Thursday by some guy named Ryan. He's gonna come pick it up and he's gonna tow it home. He's already given me money for it, so I hope definitely send the tow truck out here. Basically that'd be like the sign for go, but he already sent me the money, which is weird, but I cashed it out to cash, and yeah, basically already I got the cash in my hand and everything's legit. Seems legit, but yeah, E30 is getting sold with the turbo manifold and the cams that I bought from an M54, and yeah, sad day. I hope you guys understand that I'm just joking. I'm actually not selling the E30. It is currently November 1st, 2022. It is currently like 4 o'clock or some sorts of amount or whatever. And I'm finally going to get the E30 fixed. I pray to God I do, because it is a pain in the ass to get this bitch fixed. I've tried doing everything I can, but I'm actually just going to send it out to a shop because I'm tired of working on it, and I just want it to be running and driving. I just want to drive it, well, just drive it more. And I'm tired of just, having it sit here in my house and just collect dust, and it's not really doing good for me, nor is it doing good for you guys, because then I can't post content that's actually fun and cool, and I can't go drift, or I can't, you get what I'm saying. I just really want to post some more content, and I just can't really get that out there for you guys, and yeah. But as you see in the back, I do have some NRG bucket seats that I've finally gotten hands on, and I finally got the rails and everything mounted, and I got the Adamo Z Yashio factory seat harnesses, which I need to get someone to make me a harness bar, but I guess I'm just gonna make that myself, because I finally got a welder, and I kind of want to just test some stuff out, and yeah, and I just sort of just figured that out. But yeah, I really want to push some merch out, just because it will be a way for me to actually sponsor the car, and I can put more things onto the car that I want, and I'll use that money to, like, of course, invest in better equipment and better stuff. Maybe get myself some nicer tires and wheels, or maybe I can reach out to more sponsorships later in the future, or reach out to more people out in the future, and then they can also help me out on my build and whatever build I do. But yeah, that's pretty much it. E30 is gonna begin well soon, She's been sick the whole winter and the whole summer, sadly, but it is what it is. But I'm gonna get her sent off, and we're gonna get her fixed, and hopefully, not too long. And I hope she doesn't take too long. But I really gotta reach out to this company. Uh, if they do fix it, I'll shout them out. But I don't want to do any. I don't want to say anything bad to them. If they don't, it'll be all right because it was sort of my fault if I can't, because I kind of worked on my car myself and I couldn't figure the issues out. So I sort of just did a lot of things to try to figure my issues out. But um, yeah, I just hope everything goes well and everything's all right. But yeah, if you guys enjoy this content, like, comment, subscribe. There's definitely so much things I want to do to this car. I have a turbo manifold that's already here. Uh, I want to get that on, and I definitely want to definitely put a turbo on this car, and that'll be awesome. But I'm not gonna be pushing like a lot like you guys want to hear. I'm only gonna be pushing like 300 horsepower at the moment because it is a stock M50 B25 TU, so it has the vanos, single vanos, and I just don't want to push too much because I don't want to get the heads to get lifted up easily. Just want to do low boost for right now until I fully build the motor like I want to. That includes pistons, rings, connecting rods, bearings, everything. Just want to make sure everything's bulletproof, and um, basically once it's at that point, I would like to definitely try to go to Florida for a Clutch Kickers event.